The Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs says government is committed to improve access to justice for all. This was during the 28th Joint Government of Uganda and Development Partners Access to Justice Sub-Program Annual Performance Review Workshop in Kampala. The Ministry's Permanent Secretary, Robert Kasande, outlined some key successes in the previous year.
One of the things that we have achieved is that we have reduced the time taken to go to court of our people. How have we done that? We have availed more resources to the judiciary, everybody knows that. We have extended judiciary services to sub-counties. We're opening more magistrate circuits.
He noted that public satisfaction has grown to 70% and public trust in the justice system has grown from 59% in financial year 2020-21 to 69% today. There is also an increase in the disposal of cases by the judiciary from 55% in financial year 2021-22 to 63% in financial year 2022-23.
Because of our availability now, people are beginning to respect the justice. So that respect is increasing, which is a good thing.
He spoke about the congestion in the country's prisons and financial constraints.
We have very terrible congestion in our prisons. And we've realized that. And in meetings like this that we have, we gather support of our development partners. We need the resources so that we can decrease this congestion to an affordable level. So we're saying if we get that 103 billion, we could do 4,000 new prisons. The judiciary is very well resourced in terms of funds, in terms of human resource. They are opening new magistrate courts countrywide. However, the Ministry of Justice and Constitutional Affairs that defends government in anything has very few staff.
The State Minister for Internal Affairs, General David Muhoozi, stressed the importance of continued collaboration between the sector players and development partners and emphasized the need for comprehensive justice.
I also would appreciate going forward that we consider the ends of our criminal justice system in a more comprehensive way of restorative, restitutive, as well as retributive justice to make more meaning to both the victims of crime as well as the offenders whom we want to reform, not just to punish.
Meanwhile, Justice and Constitutional Affairs Minister Norbert Mao called for continued promotion of alternative dispute resolution, which he said has helped increase access to justice.
I think most of the quarrels in Uganda have nothing to do with the law. It's just about finding the correct facts. So mediation is important, conciliation, arbitration. If we do it internationally, why can't we do it locally? And why can't we make it cheaper?
Mao also asked development partners to stop pressurizing Uganda over its recently passed anti-homosexuality law.
You cannot say that the legislative loop has closed. Even God is waiting until the last day to judge us. Why are we being judged by our partners internationally now? Being arm-twisted, cancelling AGOA, threatening to withdraw PEPFAR funds, and so on and so forth. So, partnership must be based on mutual respect.
For God and my country.
Benjamin Jumbe, NTV Weekend Edition.